mathematics, basics, speed maths techniques. Point number 1, numbers from 1 to 100. While you're writing numbers, please follow the pattern like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then change the column: 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like this. If you write in this pattern, then the numbers going to map in your mind. So it will be useful for our next analysis. Next, point number 2, even numbers. Even numbers. So in these even numbers, the multiples of 2 are known as even numbers. 2, next 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, so on. So in this pattern, we are having last number 100. Like these are the even numbers. Next, point number 3, odd numbers. Odd numbers are, so 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. These are called odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, so on, 19. These are the odd numbers. Next, point number 4, prime numbers. Prime numbers, the numbers which are not divisible by any table, they are divisible by 1 and the number itself. So those numbers are called prime numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. If you count below 50 prime numbers, you will get 15. Once check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So below 50, there were 15 prime numbers. Next, after 50, you see 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. From 50 to 100, 10 prime numbers will be there. You can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 10 prime numbers. From 1 to 100, there were total 25 prime numbers. Okay. Now, if you see in this pattern, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. So next 11, 13, 17, 19. From here onwards, there is a pattern. So for each and every column, 2 2 will be there for only special columns having 3 numbers. For example, you can see here 23 and 29. In this third column, only 2 prime numbers are present. Next, in this next one, 31, next 37. Only 2 were present, 2 prime numbers, 31 and 37. Next column, from 40 to 50, 3 numbers were there, 41, 43, 47. 3 prime numbers. In 50, you can see 53, 59. Only 2 prime numbers. Next, in 60, 61. Next, 67. Only 2 prime numbers are present. In 70, 3 prime numbers are present here. So 71, 73, next 79. So 3 prime numbers. And here 83, 89. Most of the people will think that 87 is a prime number, but 87 is not a prime number. It is divisible by 3. Okay, please remember this is the special case. Let it be star. Next, 97. Only one prime number will be present in 90, from 90 to 100. This is 97. You can check.